Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Shoppay, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Shoppay in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the Shoppay. So now you can see I haven't logged in yet. So let me log in first. So now you can see I have already logged in, and now you can see there is a English option at the bottom of this page. So you simply need to tap on the English. And now you can see there is lots of language in here, so you can choose any of them according to your preference, and yeah, you'll be able to change your language from here successfully. So basically this is how you can change your language on Shoppay. So let me get back to the home. Let's tap on the shop icon or the logo, and let's go to the L, which is at the bottom of this section. So once you tap on the L, now go to the settings. So once you do that, now you can see there is an English option, so you simply need to tap on that English, and yeah, you'll be able to change your language successfully. So basically this is how you can change your language on Shoppay, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.